Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail. Let's get started. Once you're logged in into your Yahoo Mail, look at the top left corner of your inbox. You'll see a small empty checkbox above your message. Click on it and it will automatically select all the emails on that page. If you want to delete every single email in your inbox, just click the option that says select all conversation. Now, click the delete button at the top. Yahoo will show you how many emails are about to be removed to the trash. Confirm by clicking OK, and all those emails will go straight to your trash folder. To permanently free up space, don't forget to empty your trash folder. Just right click on the trash and select empty. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.